Not allowed. Not allowed. Any pushing, any kind of pushing. Oishi, any kind of pushing. Be it open hands or face, not allowed. Grabbing, shugami, grabbing, not allowed. Clinching, not allowed. Any wrist on back or elbow hit on back, not allowed. On spine, okay, this portion is okay. Back side of the rib cage is okay, but on spine and the muscle of the spine, not allowed. Any hand technique directly on neck or on throat, not allowed. Not allowed. Now we will be going to kicking technique, kingiri. The grabbing, kicking, grabbing is not allowed. Now kicking also grabbing for 3 seconds. Only for 3 seconds is allowed. Now how to judge? It will depend on the judges and referee. Actually, some, if you put out my not allowed. But if you just catch and release, then it is allowed. Within 3 seconds, actually, some, no, it is also not allowed. Slide. It's allowed. Okay, now the kicking, drawing kick, kingiri, not allowed. Now after take down on the floor, down. Any kick on back or front, not allowed. Anything left? Oh, any kick on patella, knee, any kick on knee, direct, not allowed. Any kick on patella, not allowed. Any kind of kick, knee kick, not allowed. Any kick on spine. If a participant is moving back to you, any kick on spine, not allowed. Now we will be coming to the allowed technique. Punches. Chest punch allowed, stomach punch allowed, straight punch on stomach, on chest allowed, Shitozuki allowed, Mao Suzuki allowed, Mao Suzuki on biceps allowed. It's allowed. As because it's an international full contact tournament, all these are coming under the international rules, with the rules, full contact competition rules. Now, Maigiri, Chudan or Jodan allowed, Mausugiri, Gidan, Chudan, Jodan. Tobi Jodan, Maigiri, Tobi Jodan, Maoshigiri, Tobi Jodan, Usidogiri, Tobi Jodan, Usido Maoshi, Usido Maoshi allowed, Tobi Jodan, Usido Maoshi allowed, Do Maoshi Tobi Kaita allowed, Yokogiri, Jodan, Yokogiri allowed, Uchimawashi allowed, Sotomawashi allowed, axe kick allowed. Yeah. Okay, Gidan Takatogiri allowed. Usidogiri allowed. Hizagiri, Slap. Pura. Allowed. Sweep kick allowed. The allowed technique and non-allowed technique. I wear the last sweep. Okay. Thank you very much. Now, ready. All the fighters, you must not have earring, any kind of rocket, okay, any kind of wo dhaga, any kind of bracelet, it's not allowed. Any kind of bow, not allowed. This is for your safety purpose. And जिस कोई भी यहाँ पर पार्टिसिपेंट हो उसका अगर बड़ा नाखून रहेगा तो उसको डिस्क्वालीफाई किया जाएगा। नाखून पैर में और हाथ में नहीं होना चाहिए। थैंक यू। नाउ वी विल बी हैविंग 8 to 10 boys committee. The participants are Vishwajit, Meg, eight to 10 male boys. The main referee will be Sensei Obiji. The corner judges are Bedi, Sensei Bedi, Sensei Indra, Sensei Ramnaresh Singh, Sensei Chandru. The corner judges are Prasanna, Sensei Prasanna, Sensei Ramnaresh Singh, Sensei Bedi, Chandra. Vishwajit match and Parveen Kaushik Setia. One. And 1 minute. After that, 5 kg. Mandatory, please come out to the table. Mandatory. The fast bout will be in between Vishwajit Meg and Parveen Kaushik. Vishwajit Meg, Aga, red corner, and Parveen Kaushik, Shilo, white corner. After this bout, next bout will be in between Sharad Sanwal, red corner, and John Winton, white corner. Get ready. Thank you so much, sir. Now, the first round will be between Vishwajit match will be red corner and Parveen Kaushik Setia will be white corner. Please come on the arena. Vishwajit match and Parveen Kaushik Setia. Please come on the arena.
Pranit Joshi. Zero one corner. Pranit Joshi. Pranit Joshi. I repeat again. Pranit Joshi. Pranit Joshi Setia. Where is Pranit Joshi? Pranit Joshi. What corner?
कैमरा
Who is Pranit Kaushik?
ये बाहर रहना
Pranit Kaushik.
ये कैमरा किसका है ये कैमरा ये बाहर रहना
Pranit Kaushik.
ये खिलाड़ी यहाँ पर आएगा टूट जाएगा अपना
हर कोई कंपटीटर को ये बताया जाता है अगर अनाउंसमेंट में टीम का अगर आपको नाम पुकारा जाएगा आप वहां पर टाइम में नहीं अपियर होंगे तो आपको यहाँ से डिस्क्वालीफाई करार दिया जाएगा उसके बाद कम नहीं हो सकता
Carpet lori naik.
all the participants be careful if your name announced 3 times and if you don't appear you will be considered as disqualified.
Ini sabung kau mau hancur. Ada. Look mana?
This is the last call for Pranit Joshi Setia.
Kamari. Tak khasa keksu. Tangan.
Jalan orang ini kan, wajib bayi.
Sama enggak masih.
Mobile mana? Besar besar ya, yang besar ya. Ani kita. Sela tay serapsan yang bisa nor nugi mana?
Kamari mulai beli.
Ada.
all the competitor जिसको नाम यहाँ पर बुलाया जाएगा वो तथा में आइए विश्वजीत में शाहरुख सनवाल जॉन मिल्टन विष्णु दिमू उदय चली
I repeat again, all the matches whose name will be announced, please come out in jury table. देखिए होगा जिस किसका भी नाम बोला जाएगा वो जरूर टेबल के पास में आ जाए विश्वजीत गेट परेड कॉफी सेटिया शरद छड़वाल जॉर्ज वेटर वर्मा विष्णु टिमो उदय चली विशाल तबा अब्राहम बी माइनर पुरंजोई सेटिया हिमांशु आर्यन काचारी अभिजीत कचिया पलक गगोई अजीत रायला प्रियंका पदाय मनीष शांति दीप्ता सिन्हा मोहम्मद अजीम अहमद संजय शर्मा
मिडिल पे जा मिडिल पे जा কাছে বড় 6 না বয়সটা কত আছে Wajib. Sau này đi đầu thắng. Ông ta muốn live mi là sao?
Ini live tuh ya.
Ồ.
Ăn một hàng sang cha.
Candidates Subirosu Madura.
Blue. Obran tuh blue.
Sarat Sewal dan John Newton Jakarta. After this match, BDB, Bishop's match and Abramshu Mazumdar. Sarat Sewal, white corner, and John Newton Jakarta, red corner. I repeat, Sarat Sewal and John Newton Jakarta to the OD arena. After this match, I'd like to request Vishwajit next and Abramsu Bhattacharya to be ready. Vishwajit next will be recorded and Abramsu Bhattacharya will be recorded. May Vishwajit next recorded होगा and Abramsu Bhattacharya recorded होगा. Ready to be. Now, the match will be between Sarat Sarwal and John Milton Degana. Sarat Sarwal will fight and John Milton is on the red. Now, this match is played between Sarat Sarwal and John Milton Degana. Sarat Sarwal on the right and John Milton on the left. This is an exciting match between Sarat Sarwal and John Milton Degana. This is shooting and exciting display of the martial arts for participants who have played in the Harvard Football World for the championship. Here, the match between Sarat Sarwal and John Milton Degana. The winner is Sarat Sarwal. Now, the match will be between Vishwajit Nath and Abramsu Bhattacharya. Vishwajit Nath will be in red with the red corner and Abramsu Bhattacharya will be in white corner. After that, be ready. Vishnu Timo and Raj Chari, be ready, please. The last match was a very exciting and thrilling match between Sarat Sarwal and John Milton. The winner is Sarat Sarwal. मैं फिर से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा इस मैच के बाद विश्व टीमों और ओवल सीरीज को रेडी रहने के लिए टाइम बहुत कम है इसलिए प्रिपेयर रहना आप लोग Now, the match will be between Vishnu Timon and Odachiri. Vishnu Timon in the red corner and Odachiri in the white corner. Now, we can see the match between Vishnu Timon and Odachiri. The match has been started and it will be played and attacking now. It's a very nice play by Vishnu Timon. This is the moment, it's a foul ball. It's a margin out. Now, we're going to go over the game. This is the game. Mr. People on the left, another setting on the front. Now, they are in trouble in the back. The winner is in the left. The festival is the winner of the match. Mr. Timon in the small ball, but he's still at the touch. Next one. Next one, catch in the winner. Wicket Timon in the red. Another Wicket Timon in the red corner, and another setting in the white corner. It's the last match. The match was between Bishop's match and Abraxo Moginda. The winner is Bishop's match.
मैंने वो क्रॉस नहीं अब देखिए अगर ये जीरो क्रॉस किया तो जीरो हो गया अगर ये पका है ना अभी मैंने चेंज करना ऐसा सीधो बाहर नहीं है वो क्रॉस करेगा ना उसको सीधो बाहर दिखाना नहीं है यहाँ पर ग्राउंड में टाइप करके हुआ है वो आप एक बात नहीं एक बात
After this match, please be ready. Aryan Chachari and Navin Kesha. Then repeat the call. इसकी इस मैच के बाद आर्यन चाचारी रेड कॉर्नर and Navin Kesha in a white corner. Please be ready.
ये तो डिस्टेंस में हो गया ऐसा नहीं होगा आपको कुछ फाइट करना है आपको जो जोगे ही देना है जोगने में बाहर निकल गया कोई भी कंपटीटर बाहर निकल सकते हैं
Ladies and gentlemen, we can see in Judo Kudu we are now here. This is the South Asia Yokosuka Championship 2023-24. This is a prestigious event that showcases the skill and spirit of martial arts from 7 countries. Kyokushin Karate is a style of full contact karate that was founded by Masudasu Oyama in 1964. It is known for its vigorous strength, discipline and courage. Kyokushin Karate practitioners have to achieve the ultimate goal of martial arts through physical and mental challenges. The motto of Kyokushin Karate is Osu, which means to preserve while being pushed. Now, the match will be between Vishnu Timo and Udarat Chelle. Vishnu Timo will be in red corner
मेरा मर्जी नहीं है यहाँ पर
and Udarat Chelle will be in white corner. After that, please be ready, Aryan Chachari. Aryan Chachari and Abhijit Kesha. Now, the match will be between Vishnu Timo and Udarat Chelle. Vishnu Timo and Udarat Chelle into white. Wow, it's a killing and attacking match. Udo Chilling is attacking again and again. Unlucky results to be ready. Next for the matches. Aryan Katari and Abhijit Keshav. Aryan Katari will be in the red corner and Abhijit Keshav will be in white corner for the next match. Now the match is between Bishop Simon and Red Challenge. It's a very beautiful thrilling match. Now the winner is Uday Chilling from the white corner. Now the match will be between Aryan Keshav and Abhijit Keshav. Abhijit, please be ready. Deepak Sinha and Mahavir Ajit Ahmed. After this match, please be ready. Deepak Sinha and Mahavir Ajit Ahmed. मैं बार-बार रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ जिनका नाम लेना चाहता हूँ वो लोग प्लीज रेडी रहिए प्लीज भी रेडी हम रिक्वेस्ट लेते हैं प्लीज भी रेडी पोस्ट कैमरे से अनाउंस हम बिगिनिंग अगेन आफ्टर द किक ऑफ he will be disqualified for the match. Now the match will be between Aryan Katari and Abhijit Keshav. इस मैच की बात मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा दीपक सिन्हा और महावीर आजम अहमद को रेडी रहने के लिए दीपक सिन्हा रेड कॉर्नर पर होगा और महावीर आजम अहमद व्हाइट कॉर्नर पे होगा प्लीज बी रेडी आफ्टर द किक ऑफ यू विल बी डिस्क्वालिफाइड फ्रॉम द मैच मैं पीछे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ अभिजीत केशव प्लीज बी ऑन द एरिया अभिजीत केशव प्लीज बी ऑन द एरिया Now Abhijit Keshav and Aryan Katari on the arena. The match of the started between Aryan Katari and Abhijit Keshav. लेकिन बहुत अच्छे से खेल रहे हैं दोनों तरह के जाकर रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं The winner is Dalia Katarina and Mahavir Ahmad. Victor Singha and Mahavir Ahmad are here to be in arena. Victor Singha is on arena. मेहनत करना चाहूंगा जूता पहन के कोई भी ताकत में नहीं जाएगा और नहीं उठेगा प्लीज दिस इज टू मेक द डिस्कशन दिस ऑल्सो डिस्कशन Victor Singha and Mahavir Ahmad. Other leaders to be ready for the next match. The next match, please be ready, Palak Babai and Arjun Prala. Please be ready, Palak Babai and Arjun Prala. Palak Babai on the right corner and Arjun Prala on the left corner. Arjun Prala. Arjun Prala, Palak Babai on the left corner, please be ready. And Arjun Prala on the right corner, please be ready. Now the match is played between Victor Singha on the left corner and Mahavir Ahmad on the right corner. The match is started with the Bogosian and South African between Victor Singha and Mahavir Ahmad and the each other on the same height. Please do that. Please do that. The hot corner is the winner. Now, the main stage between Vikas Sinha in the recorder Nadir Azimama in the one corner. The winner is Mahavir Azimama. Now, the match will be between Palak Gawai and Ajit Rana. Palak Gawai in the red corner and Ajit Rana in the white corner. Now, the match will be Palak Gawai and Ajit Rana. After this match, referee David Clay please be ready. Priyathan Mazal and Manish Tandhi. Priyathan Mazal will be red corner and Manish Tandhi will be in white corner. Please be ready. Between Palak Gawai and Ajit Rana. After that, please be ready. Priyathan Mazal and Manish Tandhi. Priyathan Mazal will be in the red corner. Priyathan Mazal in the corner. Priyathan Mazal will be in the corner. Please be ready. Manish Tandhi after please be ready. Jury side. Please come on the jury table. Gopal Krishna Gopal. Gopal Krishna Gopal. And after that, now the winner is on the fourth corner, Ajit Rana. I'd like to request Sir Secretary Directly to be replaced with Gopal Krishna Gopal. Now, Priyathan Mazal and Manish Tandhi. Priyathan Mazal in the red corner Stanley. Now the match will be between Vishwajit match and Sarat Sanwal. Vishwajit match on the red corner and Sarat Sanwal on the white corner. Vishwajit match. Vishwajit match and Sarat Sanwal. After that, please be ready, Udal Selling and Vishal Tamam. After this match, please be ready, Udal Selling and Vishal Tamam. Now, the match will be our third quarter. And Vishal Tamam on a third quarter. Please be ready. Please be ready. Make this a good round. Udal Selling, red corner. Vishal Tamam on the white corner. After this match. Now this match is still between
Nin dokter.
this match is played between Vishwajit match and Sarat Sanwal. We were able to go here, but they are playing in a very good way in a martial arts. The winner is Salah. Now, the next will be played with you. Udai and Dushan Kamal. Please be on the area. Udai Selling and Dushan Kamal. Now, in the last match, Sarath Sarwal was the winner, and now the match will be between Udai Selling and Dushan Kamal. I'd like to request that again, please be ready and you should announce the first. Ayan Katari and Himanshu. Himanshu in the red corner. Himanshu in the red corner. And Ayan Katari in the white corner. Please be ready. This is a marriage of my 10 years to Gita.